Can chair yoga help you lose belly fat? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and I'd like you to stick around until the end where I share with you the secret to having success on your fitness journey. But first things first, as far as losing belly fat, abs are made in the kitchen and you can't out-train a poor diet. That being said, chair yoga is an effective and accessible way to strengthen your core. Those gentle twists and ab exercises help to tighten and tone your belly muscles without the neck, back, or knee pain that so many experience when trying to get down on the ground. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this energizing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with a seated cat-cow stretch. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue flowing with this movement. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back. And with each exhale, round your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue breathing deeply as you release and return to center. Moving into a lateral stretch. Sitting tall, reach your left hand to your right leg and reach your right arm up and over to the left. Taking a few slow, deep breaths here. Breathing wide into your right side body. Release and repeat on the opposite side. Reach your right hand to your left leg and your left arm up and over to the right, keeping the weight even in your hips. Breathing wide into your left side body. Release and return to center. Moving into a knee tuck variation. Keep your spine straight and your core engaged as you extend both legs forward. Place your hands to the seat of your chair behind you. Lean back at a slight angle, using your core to stabilize. On your exhale, draw one knee in towards your chest. Inhale, re-lengthen. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, keeping your core engaged and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Maintain the position of your spine with your core engaged. Alternate lifting from right to left, keeping your legs straight and strong. Moving at your own pace, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Adding on, begin to alternate lifting one leg up, out to the side, and back to center, repeating on the opposite side. Continue flowing from right to left, gradually increasing your range of motion, squeezing and contracting through your leg muscles, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Pause with both legs extended. Cross your arms out in front of your chest, keeping your core strong, and your navel back towards your spine, cinching in all the way around your waist. On your inhale, lean back slightly, using your core to keep your spine straight, and on your exhale, use your abs to return to upright. Continue with this movement, using your core to stabilize, resting when you need to. Pausing and upright, maintain your arms and step your feet back to center. Adding a twist, inhale, lengthen your spine, exhale, gently twist. Inhale at center, exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue rotating from right to left, keeping your spine long and your navel back towards your spine. Maintain your hips facing forward, allowing this movement to originate from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Moving into a seated knee raise march, raise your hands out in front of your chest to hover. Alternate lifting from right to left, working to lift your knees to touch your hands if possible. Continue moving at your own pace, gradually increasing your range of motion, strengthening through your hip flexors, core, and quadriceps. Continue here, or for more of a challenge, tap your hands together under each leg. Continue here or adding on. Inhale, arms reach overhead. Exhale, adding a toe touch, reaching opposite hand to leg. Continue flowing from right to left, lightly lifting through your lower belly, feeling this action awaken your center, stretching through your hamstrings and calf muscles. Release and return to center, moving into a seated twist variation. With your spine long, inhale, reach your arms overhead. Exhale, gently twist, reaching one arm forward and the opposite arm back. Inhale at center, arms reach overhead. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue twisting from right to left, keeping your navel back towards your spine, moving from your waist rather than your hips, arms, or shoulders, working through your obliques. Release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position. allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. And now for the secret to having success on your fitness journey, it's consistency, being able to stick with it and finish what you start. So if your goal is to tighten and tone while feeling healthier and happier in your body, I'll see you tomorrow. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.
To purchase a copy of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on DVD, visit happyyoga.tv. And to gain access to over 100 episodes of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr, visit happyyogaondemand.com.